The unit 2 in integration, that is second chapter is quadrature. And it is also called as the areas. Okay, so how we can find the area of one curve? Okay, suppose if we have a standard shapes like square, the area is equal to that is A is equal to side square. For rectangle, A is equal to length into breadth. That means if we have any a standard shapes, that is it is in standard shapes, then we have a standard formula. Like for a square we have a side square, and for rectangle length into breadth. Suppose if we have a one curve like that curve, there is a function y is equal to f of x, be a curve. Be a curve. So how to find this area? How to find the area? Suppose if there is a function y is equal to f of x, the function y is equal to f of x is in x axis, and the limits are x is equal to a and x is equal to b. That means if I write that this is equal to x axis and this is equal to y axis. If you write if there is a function y is equal to f of x, so this is a starting point, that is x ordinates x equal to a and this is equal to x equal to b. So between this one we can find the area of this part, that is area. So for that this we can write the formula. The area is equal to, that is a is equal to integral of, what are the limits, x equal to a to x equal to b, and the function is f of x into dx, f of x into dx. So that is nothing but integral from a to b y dx. So therefore if the function y is equal to f of x is a curve and it is in x axis, and what are the limits? The limits are x equal to a and x equal to b. Then the area is equal to integral from x equal to a to b, f of x into dx. If it is in x axis we get dx. Okay, suppose the second one is x equal to g of y, it is a function in y, is in y axis, and the y is equal to c and y is equal to d, the ordinates. Then the area is equal to, that is integral from y is equal to c to y to d, g of y into dy. That is nothing but integral from c to d, g of y nothing but x into dy. That means If it is in x-axis, we written as y dx. X, there is x-axis x dx, and it's opposite of this x we get right y. That means if we have an x-axis, the function will be written in the form of y is equal to. If it is in y-axis, the function can be written in the form of x is equal to. Okay. And the next one we can solve the problem. Suppose if there is a function, find the area. Find the area that's the first one. Find the area bounded by parabola (3y is equal to x square), x-axis, between the lines x equal to 1 and x equal to 2. So therefore, first given that it is in x-axis, that means the function is given in x-axis. Okay. That is y is equal to some f of x. So what is the starting one? The starting one is x equal to, what are the ordinates? X equal to 1 and x equal to 2. We need to find the area. We need to find the area between x and 2. Therefore, so it is given that if there is a function y is equal to f of x, x-axis, then the area is equal to integral is from a to b y dx. Okay, taken as 1. So given that the function y is equal to, given that (3y is equal to x square), but here we need only y, but here we have 3. So from 3y we get y only, we get that x square by 3. So therefore the y is equal to x square by 3. Substitute, if I am taking this is 2, substitute 2 in 1. Therefore, the area is equal, the A is equal to, integral is from, what are the limits? The limits are from 1 to 2. Y, that is y dx, that is nothing but integral is from 1 to 2, x square by 3. That is equal to 1 by 3 is taken as an outside. We get that 1 to 2, x square into dx. We get that 1 by 3 into, that is integration of x square, x cubed by 3. And what is the formula? The formula is x power n. Integration of x power n is nothing but x power of n plus 1 by n plus 1. And we get that 1 by 9, 3 into 3, 9, that is x cube into 1 to 2. So written as upper limit minus lower limit, that is nothing but a 2 cubed minus 1 cube. That is, since upper limit minus lower limit, so we get that 1 by 9 into, so 2 cubed is nothing but 8, 8 minus 1, 7. Finally we get that the area is equal to that is integral is from 1 to 2 y dx, that is nothing but 7 by 9. Okay, so therefore what is the area? The area is occupied in x-axis, and this place value is equal to 7 by 9. So here how we can solve this problem? So first, the given question is in the form of find the area bounded by parabola 3y is equal to x square, x-axis, and between the ordinates x equal to 1 and x equal to 2. Okay, if it is given that the x-axis we have written as the area is equal to integral from a to b y dx. This is a formula, and we need only y, but here it is given that 3y. From 3y we get y only, therefore y is equal to x square by 3. So substitute 2 in 1, we get that 1 by 3 into x square into dx, and integration of x power n. Therefore what is the integration of x power n? That is x power n is equal to x power of n plus 1 by n plus 1, and we simplify, we get that 7 by 9. Okay, and next one, the next problem is find the area bounded by parabola find the area bounded by parabola y square equal to 8x, y axis, and the lines and the lines and the lines the lines y is equal to 2 and y is equal to 6. Here the solution is, so it is in y axis, this is equal to, the function is x equal to g of y, this is y is equal to 2 and y is equal to 6, and this is a function. We need to find this curve. Okay. We need to find this curve. So here we are writing as a formula. So what is the function? That is x equal to g of y, and it is in y axis, and it is in y axis. If there is in y axis, we can write the formula area is equal to, that is A is equal to integral from c to d x into dy, x into dy taken as 1. So given that y square equal to 8x, that means here we need to get x only. So therefore the x is equal to y square by 8. Because we have only x, but here it is given that y square equal to x, 8x. From that we need to get x only. So therefore we convert that x equal to y square by 8. Substitute equation 2 in equation number 1. So therefore the area is equal to, and what are the limit? The limits from 2 to 6. We compare that 2 to 6 x, that is x into dy, that is integral from 2 to 6, x, that is nothing but a y square by 8 into dy. So this is a y square and dy. So therefore if it is a x, we get the x, but here we have y square into dy. 1 by 8 is a constant, so taken as an outside, integral is from 1 2 to 6 y square into dy. So therefore 1 by 8 into integration of y power n, that is nothing but a y cubed by 3, 2 to 6, we get that 1 by 24 into y cube, because 3 is a constant taken as an outside, and we get that 1 by 24 into 6 cubed minus 2 cubed, upper limit minus lower limit. So we get that if we are simplifying 208 by 24, so therefore that is nothing but 26 by 3. So therefore what is the area? The area is equal to 26 by 3 square units. So we are writing as a units. What is that? So how we can solve this problem? So first, okay, so first it is either it is in x-axis or y-axis. First we can write that either we checking either it is in x-axis or y-axis. So given that it is in y-axis, so if we have a y-axis, the function is in y, that means x equal to g of y, and the lines also given in the form of y, that y is equal to and y is equal to 6. Therefore the formula is area is equal to integral from c to d x into dy. So we compare that integral is from c to d, the limits are c equal to 2 and d equal to 6, that is c equal to 2 and d equal to 6, lower limit and upper limit. So it's given that y square equal to 8x, but we need to get x only. So how to get this x? This is nothing but 8 into x. From that 8 into x, this 8 will be converted into that right side, left side, or left side. We get that y square by 8. Therefore x equal to y square by 8, x equal to y square by 8. So therefore we get x. So substitute equation 2 in equation 1, we get that integral is from 2 to 6 x into dy, that is integral from 2 to 6 y square by 8 into dy. So 1 by 8 is a constant taken as an outside, that is 1 by 8 into y square, integration of x, that is x dy, that is y square into dy, nothing but a y cubed by 3, and we substitute that upper limit minus lower limit. So here we are writing as upper limit minus lower limit, and finally we get that 26 by 3 square units.